Good day, my name is Warren Soliano. Today I'll be presenting packet switching. Introduction to switching techniques. Help in designing the best route for data transmission in large networks like the internet provides a one-to-one connection field. Types of switching techniques: circuits switching, message switching, packet switching, and data approach or virtual circuit approach. Circuit switching establishes a dedicated path between sender and receiver before data transfer. First, connection establishment. Second, data transfer. Third, connection disconnection. An example, telephone network. Dialing a number. Establish the circuit, then communication begins. Message switching mechanism uses a store and forward approach. Process the entire message is transferred as a complete unit. Intermediary nodes receive and store the complete message before forwarding it. Limitation not sustainable for streaming media and real-time application due to the store and forward delay. Fucking switching messages broken into individual chunks called packets. Key difference from message switching: each packet is individually source and destination IP addresses, sequence number, detecting missing packets, and sending acknowledge approach. Datagram approach, also known as connectionless switching. Each independent entity is called a datagram. Each datagram contains the destination information. Datagram can take different routes. Intermediaries are responsible for routing decision. Virtual circuit approach, also known as connection-oriented switching characteristic, a pre-planned route is established before messages are sent. Use a virtual circuit identifier called request and call accept are special packet used to establish the connection. Conclusion: finding the best route for data transfer in a large network. Recap of techniques: circuit switching, message switching, packet switching, datagram, and virtual circuit approach.